top 20 college cutoff. What you can, Dronacharya Group of Institute if you want, then Firoz Gandhi Institute of Engineering, General Other State 2.865. And this is Amit, as you all are going to do the UP Tech counseling for UP State colleges, that is 2024. So here I am going to provide you complete information regarding top 20 college cutoff. सेम इन्फॉर्मेशन हिंदी में जानने के लिए मेरे हिंदी चैनल एडमिशन एकेडमी पे आप जा सकते हैं. टॉप 20 कॉलेज कट ऑफ what you can expect for this year based on my last 6 years of analysis and experience. I am going to provide you the complete information here. So let's get started with the video. Here I will consider safe rank, home state, other state, all college, all category wise information I will provide you, and CSE, EC, lower, private and government, all type of college will be covered here. So without wasting your time, let's get into the point. Dronacharya Group of Institute if you want, then for general 5 lakh rank, and for lower branch 8 lakh, that is for CSE 5 lakh, lower 8 lakh, and these are the CRL rank, not your category rank. So please try to understand it. IMS Engineering College 4 lakh for other state general, 7.7 lakh for home state general with CSE branch, and for lower 5.5 and 8.5 lakh. Now if you talk about IEC College of Engineering, here is the information. General other state 7 lakh and lower 8.2 lakh, that is this is the cutoff here. Now if you talk about Anand College of Engineering Agra, here is the information. 4.6 lakh, 7.8 lakh for CSE, and lower 7 and 9 lakh. Lower means any type of branch in that college is lowest possible. Now if you talk about Rajkumar Goel Institute of Technology, 3.3 and 7 lakh for general other state and general home state. For EC 8 lakh, lower 8 and 9 lakh. Now if you talk about Firoz Gandhi Institute of Engineering, general other state 2.8, 6.5 to 6.5 lakh, general home state 5 lakh, 7.5 lakh, EWS 5.3, 7.8, BC 6.3, 7.9, SC 7.58, and there is no information available for ST category. So here I would like to inform you, if you want my guidance regarding this counseling, that is 1-to-1 up to admission is done, and you will get the best out of your rank, that is 100% sure. So for that you can contact me. There is a very nominal charge for that. You can check the description for detail, and you can contact me through WhatsApp, Insta, as well as through app and website also. You can contact me and get your guidance while joining the guidance program. So hope you get my point. In that you will get 1-to-1 guidance, and it is not only for UPTU but for all counseling whatever you are doing across India. In the next section you will be able to check the detail of my guidance program. So here I would like to inform you about my complete guidance and mentorship regarding all type of entrance exam. Through this you will choose the best college and best branch, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. Yes, over 10,000 students already have guided. Whenever you want and whatever counseling you are doing, I will guide you for everything, that is JOSA, CSAB, JAG Delhi, JAG Chandigarh, Manipal, VIT, VITSAT, COMEDK, EEEE, or any other state level counseling. I will be guiding you for all the counseling, as I am doing it from last 6 years. Sideways you can check the detail as well, and once you register you will get 1-to-1 personal call option all the time, and message you can do whenever you want, whenever you will have the doubt. Here I will provide you the personalized choice filling order for you, because every student have different type of rank, different type of vision, different type of interest, different type of family background. So there can't be a general choice filling for all the students. So I will provide you the personalized choice filling order. So on the screen you can check the detail in the description also. Once you contact, if you find my guidance helpful, you can register for that by doing the nominal payment regarding that and by sending a detail. Now if you talk about Rajkiya Engineering College Bijnor, so it is also called REC Bijnor, 2.1 lakh, general other state general 2.3 lakh, and BC 2.5 lakh, SC 5.7, ST 8 lakh. Now if you talk about Raja Balban Singh College, 4.1 and 5 lakh for general other state, 6 and 7 lakh for home state, CSE and EC. Now if you talk about Rajkiya College of Engineering Banda, 1.5, 1.9, 2, 3, 6, 7 for different type of category. And now if you talk about Rajkiya Engineering College Azamgarh, 2.7, 3.7, 5.3, 4.3, and 8.2 and 5 lakh. Now if you talk about ABS College of Engineering, 88,000, that is for CSE, other state general, EC 1 lakh, lower 3.5 lakh. And in this counseling you will get the seat of only general seat if you are from outside of UP. If you are from home state, you will get the category benefit also. Now if you talk about for general 1.4, general home state 1.4 lakh for CSE and lower 4.2 lakh, EWS 1.6, CSE lower 4.3, BC 1.7, 5.7, SC 6.3, 8 lakh. Now if you talk about GL Bajaj Institute of Technology and Management, 1 lakh, 4 lakh, 7 lakh for general outside UP, CSE, EC lower. For general, home state 1.95 lakh, for CSE and lower 7.5 lakh, EC 2 lakh 8 lakh, BC 2.1 in 8 lakh, SC 7 lakh 8 lakh. Now if we talk about Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College, here's the information: 77 1.8 lakh, 7.1 lakh, that is for CSE, EC lower, general other state. General home state 85 3.2 7.8, EWS 89 6 lakh 7.9, BC 99 6.5 7.7, SC 3.268, ST 3.368 again. Now if we talk about KIT group of institutions, here is the information: for general other state 1.3 lakh, that is for CSE, EC 2.4 lower 4 lakh. General home state 1.55 lakh for general, that is CSE, EC 4 lakh lower, again 4 lakh. For EWS 4 lakh, BC 4.5, SC 8, ST 7. Now if we talk about IERT, that is Institute of Engineering and Rural Technology, general 1.1 6.5 lakh for CSE in lower, general 1.6 7.6 lakh, that is home state, EWS 1.9 8 lakh, BC 2 lakh and 8 lakh, SC 3 lakh 8 lakh, and ST 4 lakh. Galgotia's College of Engineering and Technology, if you talk now, then for other state, general 87,000, for CSE, EC 1.9 lower 7.2, general 98 6 and 8 lakh, EWS 3 lakh, BC 1.3 3.4, SC 3.5 and 8 lakh, for ST 4.8 and 6 lakh. These all are the trusted and complete information regarding all the top 20 colleges. So kindly check your availability, that is which college you are going to get and which branch. By going through this video you will able to get the clear idea, and once the counseling will start, it is round wise, I will try to update you about each and everything. So kindly subscribe the channel, and whenever you want you can contact me for complete counseling guidance. Along with this counseling, I will guide you for other counseling also if you are looking any counseling across India. Now if you talk about BIT Jhansi, general other state 63,000, for CSE, EC 79 lower 1.5 lakh, general 68 96 1.9 lakh, home state, EWS 71,000 1 lakh 2 lakh, BC 75,000 1.1 2.3 lakh, SC 1.9 2.5 4 lakh, ST 5.5 6.2 7 lakh. Now if you talk about JSS Noida 58 1 lakh 3.6 lakh for general other state, general home state 66 1.4 4 lakh, EWS 1 1.4 7.3, BC 78 1.5 7.5, SC 2 lakh 6 lakh 8 lakh. Now if you talk about Kamala Nehru Institute of Technology, KNIT, also it is called in short form. Now if you talk about general other state 58 69 1.5 lakh for CS, IT and lower, general 68 75 1.9 lakh, EWS 78 89 2.1 lakh, for BC 85 95 2.2, SC 2 lakh 2.3 3.6, ST 3.75 lakh 4 lakh 6 lakh. Now if you talk about the number one college, that is IET Lucknow, here is the information: general other state 33 70 and 2 lakh, that is for CSE, EC lower, general home state 41 85 2.5 lakh, EWS 42 1.1 3 lakh, BC 46 1.1 3 lakh, SC 1.3 1.9 3.2 lakh, ST 3.2 4 and 4 lakh. So this was the complete information regarding UP Tech Counseling 2024 top 20 college. Under that is the complete information regarding expected cutoff, branch wise, category wise I have discussed. So please try to subscribe the channel so you will not miss any update regarding UP Tech Counseling 2024. Thank you.